the cash discount app?
This app is going to be your best friends because what it does is actually passes your credit card processing fees on to the customer automatically.
And this just makes things so much easier because you're able to pass those fees on to your customers. Whoa! But also, we even provide you with signage that tells them, look, you can pay cash and save on that fee, or you have the option to take the convenience and pay that percentage fee.
So this app actually automatically adds 4% to every menu item across the board. So that when a customer comes in and orders something, they're automatically paying 4% more than they would if they paid cash.
I mean, think of what you've been going through at the end of the month when you see that large bill. If you're doing $100,000 a month, you're talking $3,000 in fees that are now passed on to the customers and that you don't have to worry about. So it just makes things smoother, more profitable, and easier for you.